Alright, in this video I'm going to be talking about the DD plan. This could be very good, very explosive, but confirmation is going to be very much key, people, in this. This is got to confirm. Alright, so listen to everything I'm saying because not everything's in the boxes. Alright, so here we go. DD is set up to test 86 to 90. The March 17 80-50 calls could be used, and I'm going to be talking about these options and why I selected these options. The thing about DD is one thing I don't like about it is there's not a lot of options trading, but I think these options are going to be a clue, and I'm going to explain that when we get to that option section, people. All right, DD needs to break above 80-80 on some good action volume, people. Very, very important. This has to break higher because if it doesn't, it could chop and go nowhere. It needs to continue to show the power and pressure. All right, now good action volume for DD is about on the low end 700K to 1 million on a 10-minute chart. Because when we try to break that level, we should see an infusion of volume. All right, now let's take a look, and of course, if we don't get the volume as it's breaking 80-80, then look for basing above 80-80, and look for power towards 81 to 81 and a half to 82. The key is power and pressure, and we want to see some volume as well, as this stock is at a key level. It must show us the power. If not, avoid. All right, let's go take a look at the options, people. All right, so here we're at the Yahoo Finance for February the 24th, 79.81 for DD. Let's go take a look at the March 17 options, people. So here's why I chose the 80-50. As you can see, on Friday, quite a bit of options were traded here for some strange reason. No matter what month I look at, whether we look farther out, no one really traded. This, as you can see, there's not a lot of options trading, and there was not much open interest. Now the open interest will increase. There was something happening in the 80s, but a lot of trading was happening for these 80-50 calls. And at the same time, you could see we have a 10-cent spread with 83.50. So one thing you want to look for when this is confirming is that the spreads are tight in the 80-50 on the 80-50 calls. These are the only options that I like. Again, confirmation and pressure and power is going to be key. And that's for the one reason. Let's go take a look at something else. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So then if we go to the, and I checked this all out, but just to show you here, so April the 22nd, and you can see, there is open interest here, okay? But look at the spreads, at the 75s. The 80 they have some open interest here, but the spreads are kind of large. Well, it's about 25 cents. It's not too bad. I mean, if someone wants to use the 80 calls, these could be okay as well. So then I can mention now the 80, but for some reason, like I said, as you can see, no matter how you look at it, there wasn't a lot of trading in actual volume. There's some more open interest, but there was some for some reason, because this is going to move. This is going to move. This stock is going to move very soon. So we could do very well with the March 17 calls. But these 80-50 calls, look at that, the most action. And so that's why I talked about it in the everything I do. It's very well researched, people. I don't guess. I make plans. I look strategically at the history, a lot of facts, many time frames, you name it. Nobody does it like Power Trick or Trade. Nobody does it like Power Trick or Trade. All right. All right, people. So here we are at my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades. This is a great place to subscribe. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to my channel. It's very easy. I've done it. I made a special way to do it easily in the video by making these videos specially proper for YouTube so that you can do these things. But anyways, you see this website here? A few good reasons to subscribe to this Power Target Trades is that there's going to be a lot of great things I'm going to be doing on here. Things like live streams, something called a new thing feature called Super Chat, and like many things. But also, you got a great link here to my website, very easily to get to it, Power Target Trades, and a quick link to Power Trigger Trade on Twitter. You should follow me on all formats: Power Trigger Trade on Twitter, Power Target Trades on YouTube, and Power Trigger Trade on StockTwit. So let's go to my website, people. Let's click on the link here. So here's the website loading up here. Nice background going on here. Yeah, nice. But here, this is a great video to see. Very well documented. Shows the weekly options making 300% gains in Apple, 200% gains in 4 days with monthly options. It's a great video, very well documented from start to end. Meaning we show before the trigger point and then what happened after the trigger point. And because these were confirmed triggered stocks. Same with Cenex, a really great one. This was with monthly options, 300% gains in 7 days. And of course, this is a very special video. February 11, 2016, exactly when the market reversed and never looked back. But I cannot tell you, people, how bearish people were back then. And even a very famous trader, what he was saying, oh, you've got to see this video. It's very educational, informative, and shows you the power of my analysis skills beyond most. And I'm not joking here, beyond most, because this video will prove it without a shadow of a doubt. But anyways, people, back to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades. See the Sandro Power Trigger Trade? You're going to see it appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. If you have an issue, just come to my website manually, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for listening. Like the video.